Alright, well, module is in and it's working. It's a 208 230 volt setup, so one leg's out. It's a 230 volt. And I've got the compartment open right now, so it's kind of hard to tell. Flame keeps rolling out there. Cover back on. Well, back online, got some heat. So what is this? This is I believe it's a ream or a Rudd package heat. It's got a single supply return duct. Oh no, wait, it's a Goodman. Yeah, Goodman PG042-100-1AB 9305052-9. I think it's a 92 model. But yeah, that's it. This is our problem there, and a lot of resistance on that. On here, little shaded pole motor, and it's got a centrifugal weights on here that spin open. Probably took a look at those. So they have to spin up to, let's see here, if I can get this open, I can show you. Show you how this works. Okay. So down in there's some little weights, and then the weights will spin and cause this piece here to rise up, and it'll close this circuit here, and this tells the unit that it's a-okay to fire. But if they don't produce enough RPMs, it won't open or close, I'm sorry. You can see right there, there's the switch, the little micro switch on top. It just hits that just right there. That's it. Alright. Oh, and I'm sure this is always a pain. To get up on this roof I had to do a double ladder, so go down that ladder and had to go down there. But nice day in Tucson, Arizona. This was a return trip. We don't stock these lunar modules just because I had one on my truck for a while, but I used it and then never put another one on there. But well, on to the next job. Thanks for watching.